The Sahara Desert spans 11 African countries, while the Gobi Desert is known for extreme temperature variations. The Atacama Desert receives virtually no rainfall, and the Arabian Desert houses the world's largest sand. The Kalahari Desert supports diverse wildlife populations, and the Sonoran Desert blooms with vibrant flowers in spring. The Mojave Desert features the Death Valley Depression, whereas the Thar Desert lies along the India-Pakistan border. The Patagonian Desert is situated in a rain shadow, and the Great Victoria Desert covers the interior of Australia. The Namib Desert meets the Atlantic Ocean directly, while the Taklamakan Desert is located in China's interior. The Gibson Desert is characterized by a lack of permanent water sources, and the Chihuahuan Desert spans the Mexico-US border. Don't forget to drop a camel emoji for your desert knowledge, and like and subscribe.